bitch was vibing. Dear girl is back again with another video. Alright y'all, so today we're gonna kick off our birthday maintenance vlog. Today is February 18th, which means that your girl's birthday is 9 days away. Your girl gonna be 22. So today I have a nail appointment at 3:30 with my girl Jada. She gonna hook a girl up, do her birthday set for her. And I'm gonna wash my hair now, blow dry and everything, and I'm gonna get it braided later because tomorrow I'm gonna get my wig installed. My girl Joy gonna hook a girl up. But as for today, we're just gonna wash the hair, get our nails done. Tomorrow's agenda, I got a wax appointment early in the morning, so I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna leave class early. Possibly. Might tell my professor like I got an appointment with my advisor or something. Leave class early, go to my wax appointment, get the hair done. And y'all know that I usually do my own lashes. And honestly, I was a little upset because I felt like it's my birthday. Like I should be able to treat myself to get my lashes done. But there was nobody available to do my lashes. And you lash girlies is expensive, y'all. So the usual eyelash clusters that I get, unfortunately, is out of stock on Amazon for some reason. I don't know if Trump cut ties with the company or something, because I heard that Shein packages wasn't coming over here no more either because of tariffs and this, that, and the third. But your girl found some new lashes on Amazon. The only thing is I just don't want it to be too high in definition. Like you guys know I'm like a natural girly. I like me a nice hybrid set. I don't like the volume to be too high, but it is my birthday though, so I low-key need the, you know what I'm saying, I need that birthday lash sets. With that being said, I'm gonna go take out my braids because y'all, these braids is whoop. Should I even show y'all? Are y'all gonna tell anybody if I show? Hold on, let me see. Whew. Them braids is rough, baby. So yeah, I'm gonna take out my braids and I'm gonna go wash my hair, blow dry it, and yeah. Honey, them braids was chewed. Them braids was chewed, but it moved. Don't play with her. It took me a minute to get my hair out, and I'm glad I did this before my nail appointment because being that I'm going home this weekend to celebrate with my friends and my family, because I won't see them on the day of my actual birthday, you know, I gotta have the set looking fresh. And I didn't want none of the hair oil or hair grease to potentially mess up my nails or, you know, have my nails soaking in some water from washing my hair. So this is a good idea, me washing my hair now, getting it braided later. I use the Design Essentials Natural Hair products. This shampoo and this conditioner, this right here. So we're gonna go ahead and use that in my head. And yeah, it's time for me to go get in the shower. Alright y'all, so I just finished washing my hair and now we got a fresh blowout. So I will be getting my hair braided later. But let me tell you guys the current situation I'm having right now. So my friend recommended me a beautiful 613 wig that she always uses for all her colors, and it eats down every time. Y'all, I finally ordered my 613, 30 inches. Give it to my hairdresser and everything. She texts me and she's like, girl, we having a problem. The wig won't dye. Like, the color just won't take to the wig. And I'm panicking, y'all. At this point, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, this can't be happening. Like, the worst thing, like, on top of your birthday going wrong is your hair not how you want it to turn out. Like, that's the worst thing possible. And it's like, I know it's not my hairdresser because when I did my blue ombre, she ate down with that, okay? This is professional work right here. So unfortunately, the company sent me a bad wig. Clearly it was 100% synthetic. So yeah, I contacted them and I requested a refund. I don't care if it was out the packaging used. They have to run me my money, because don't tell me this is a human hair wig and when I get it, this is Barbie doll. No, not going for it. So I just came downstairs from the leasing office and this is my wig. This is my new 613 wig. I ordered from the first company that I used for my blue wig and the one I used for my pink wig. So I know this one is definitely gonna die. I'm just really upset that, one, I paid good money for that 613 wig and it was so full and everything. I'm like, damn, I'm about to eat down. No, they played in my face. It's okay though, we got a replacement. It's just like, y'all, I just don't want to put nobody out their way. Like, my girl, she got clients, she work, grad school, all that. She don't got no time to be doing nothing last minute. But if you seeing this, Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Because my appointment is literally tomorrow, y'all. My nail appointment is in a couple minutes, y'all. So I'm gonna finish getting myself together so I can head over there and get my nails done. And I can come back and get my hair braided. She gets down just like Per usual, your girl Jada slayed my nails, y'all. She did her big one, but that's nothing new. I love this. And it looks, I mean, the ring, the nails complement the ring complements the nails. Period. You guys go to UA, make sure you guys book up with her, okay? Because she won't disappoint. I see I got this hat on. Head's not done. I can imagine what it looked like under here. And before I went to my nail appointment, I had to run to the store. And when I went out to the store, y'all, my hair was just blowing everywhere. It was looking so crazy. So I was like, no, I have to put a hat on. So that's what I did. But now it's like, now I look like this. Hold on, ain't nothing though. Hold on. Cause y'all, my hair is really soft. After I braid my hair today, that's gonna be it for today until tomorrow. Oh, actually, no, I might have lied a little bit. I do need to like probably do my mustache, shave my little face or whatever, do a little mask and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna do that tonight. While I was getting my nails done, Joy texted me and she said the color is coming through. This wig is way better. So we already knew the wig was the problem, but I'm so happy it's starting to work out because your girl was gonna cry, y'all. I don't play about my birthday. I will cry when it comes down to my birthday if something not going right. It's about time for me to go get my hair braided, y'all, so. Your favorite egghead, y'all. Just got my braids done. And with that being said, your girl gotta be up early tomorrow because she got a wax appointment early in the morning and a hair appointment following after. So with that being said, I'm gonna just take myself to bed and I'm gonna pick you guys up tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's 9:42. Your girl just hopped out the shower and your girl's wax appointment is at 11 o'clock. So if I have time, I'm going to put on my lash plasters today. But for right now, I'm going to get that peach fuzz that's off my face out. And the blade wasn't even open, so I don't know why that hurt. I haven't dermaplaning my face in about maybe a month and a half. So I'm due for a dermaplaning, so I'm gonna get started on that. Room full of beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room full of women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to is Jodeci. Oh, please. You can't do the 5. They don't want me to do it. They don't want me to do it. What y'all know?
Freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. Rush, baby, just like.
Alright, so now that I'm done dermaplaning my face, I can continue with the rest of my skincare. Put on my toner, my moisturizer, my serum, followed by my sunscreen. But today, the lash clusters I will be using, I'm going to be using these Foshi Pizza lashes. These gave birthday to me, and like I told you guys before, I'm not the type to have heavy volume lashes. I don't know, I just be thinking I look so funny with them, but it's my birthday, so I need the birthday look effect. You guys use the bond that they give you, because I be finding out when I use the bond, it be harder for me to do my lashes. I be using regular glue to put on my lash clusters, because I don't know if I don't have enough lashes for the bond to attach to or not, but I be having to use the glue.
So pretty, girl, you belong in the gallery. What's your fantasy? Say something you ain't never did. Like a real. I'm flicking my wrist like I'm a bishop. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really, really make you.
The time is 9:57. My appointment's at 11. It's gonna take me about 15 minutes to get there. So the latest I wanna leave is by 10:30. So I think I do have enough time to do my lashes. I'm going for a hybrid look. So let me see. This lash starts at 18. I don't know if I wanna start with the 18. The 18 might be kind of beastie. Or should I just do the regular 16? I don't know, y'all. I can't get it open. Oh, there we go. See, look, y'all. Thick and wispy. My girlies that like to use the bond that it comes with, this brand specifically comes with a bond and a remover side. Usually, lash clusters, they usually give me one that has the bond and the seal, but this one's just the bond and the remover if you want to take it off.
These lines really gonna make you numb like shut this time. It's your time. I need to know we're your down. Cause if not,
Having a little bit of complication, so I'm gonna turn the camera off and I'm gonna check back in with you guys when I'm done, because yeah, it's already 10:06 and I'm soon gonna have to leave to get ready, so I just want to make sure I get this done. Alright, y'all, so this is what the lashes look like. This is one layer. I think I actually am gonna double it. I'm nervous though. What if I mess it up? This looks so nice so far. I like the way this is looking so far. But it is 10:30 and my appointment is at 11, so I do need to leave now. That way I'm not rushing. I like my little hat, my little cat ear hat. I got it for Christmas. But yeah, so I'm gonna go run to my appointment and I'm gonna catch you guys there. Alright, y'all, so I just touched down. It is 10:54. Your girl just made it. She's 6 minutes early. But yeah, I'm about to go inside. I already filled out all my documents that I need to fill out prior to my appointment. I got me a yearly wax pass. So I basically paid in full for the whole year. So when I come, I don't really pay nothing unless I pick up products and everything. But I actually love this wax pass. It's like my first year ever doing the wax pass. And I'm definitely going to be renewing it this year when mine ends. Oh, look at how the sun hitting my skin. Are you from New York, Even? Do you have a big black puffer, Even? I like my little Fashion Nova fur. Fashion Nova 8 with this one right here. Alright, I'm doing too much talking. Let me go inside, y'all.
A few moments later.
I just finished my appointment, y'all, and it wasn't bad. I'm not gonna lie, guys. The last time that I went, oh my gosh, it hurt so bad because I had skipped a month. So, because I skipped a month, ooh, the pain level was crazy. So I either make my appointment every 4 weeks or every 5 weeks, but I had went home on break, so I had missed that one appointment, and due to me missing that one appointment, I had to suffer a great amount of pain. But today wasn't bad. It was pretty good. What's the time? It's really early, y'all. My appointment is at 12:30. It's not even 11:30 yet, and I'm done. I don't know, maybe I might get something to eat really quick, because I didn't eat yet. I'm gonna go get me something to eat and then chill until my appointment comes. Yeah, oh my gosh, I love the way the sun is hitting my skin. Period. She glowing. Hold on. Yeah. Let me talk to you guys like this though. This looks way better than me talking to you guys like this with the fur on her head. Yeah, I cannot believe I'm about to turn 22. That's so crazy. I remember when I was fiending to turn 16. I was fiending to turn 18. Y'all, I'm only 22 and I feel like I'm pushing 30. Like, take me back. I want to go back to when I was 10, when I was 12. Forget that. When I was 5 years old. Take me back now because your girl is too grown now. Too old. Too many responsibilities. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my way back to Albany. And I'm gonna catch you guys before my hair appointments.
I ain't got a clue, bruh. I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground.
I really gotta say too much, y'all. Y'all see it? What y'all think? Y'all like it? I be so scared to do colors, y'all, and I don't know why, but I really love this color on me, y'all. So this is the end of my birthday maintenance vlog. Got my nails done, my hair did, lashes done. I don't have really too much to say. All I gotta say is if you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post. And stay tuned for the birthday videos because they coming soon. All right, bye.